today over whether the defendants should be granted separate trials or even separate juries in the case. Shanna Gardner and her estranged husband Mario Fernandez Saldana are accused of hiring Henry Tenen to kill Gardner's first husband, Jared Bridegan, over a child custody dispute in 2022. Action News Jax reporter Zion Dakota joins us live from downtown Jacksonville now. And Zion, there were disputes as to how a possible trial should play out.
That is correct, Phil. There appeared to be disputes between lawyers for Fernandez, Gardner, and prosecutors about whether there should be separate trials or separate juries or even how long each side expected the case to play out. It got to the point where the judge expressed frustration over the confusion about the case. Now, the prosecution supported both defendants being tried together with two separate juries. The jury for one defendant would be excused for certain witnesses of the other based on what the prosecution deems is relevant evidence for the other to hear. Both defense lawyers want the two defendants tried separately. The Fernandez lawyers wanted a jury picked for both Fernandez and Gardner simultaneously, then have Gardner's jury in waiting until Fernandez's trial ends. Defense lawyers for Gardner wanted separate trials and separate jury selections, with the jury for Gardner picked right after the end of Fernandez's trial. Duval County Circuit Judge London Kite appeared to support the defendants, Fernandez and Gardner, being tried together. She wanted to avoid jurors or potential jurors seeing media coverage of the other defendant's case and becoming biased or exposed to evidence not presented in the other's trial. Listen to Judge Kite express her confusion and frustration with the parties over what she thought the original plan was.
What we had initially planned was jury selection happening concurrently, trial concurrently, closing down one, and I was asking the state duplicate as much as you can so that then when verdict is reached, I could seal and then close down the other, then bring them both, summon both, publish at the same time.
A decision was not made by the judge today on the structure of the trial. Court is set to resume on April 9th at 8:30 a.m. For local coverage you can count on in downtown Jacksonville, Zion Dakota, Action News Jax.
Well, the average price of gas